Okay, we're going to go over the sharing menu and the kinds of things you can share currently on hyperlocavore.com. So you've logged in. If you click on the top part of these menus, rather than going down into the menu, sometimes you'll hit a stub page like this one where I try to break things down in the menu. Sometimes there's not one there yet. I'm working on that. So first thing you can do is share blogs. And this is the most recent person that has created a blog post. We really encourage this because this is a way for folks that don't live next to each other to get to know each other and learn from each other gardening techniques and what's going on, because a lot of members are very new and they're not gardeners. They're just starting out. So okay, but of course I want everyone to blog. Anytime you want to share your experience, all you have to do is come along and hit add a blog post, give it a title. I'll just type spring is almost here, and then basically you can use HTML or the rich text editor, and this is basically a WYSIWYG editor. Most of you are familiar with that, but I will go over a few of the features. It's pretty easy to bold. You just select and bold. You can italicize. These are just as they are with your word processor. Bullet points are often nice to have. And your links. So let's say you want to link to something. You would just use this feature here. You can also add in photos, which is pretty easy. Just go like that, and you can upload an image from your machine or go to an image that you already have the link for, and make some specific visual preferences here. Let's say I wanted to grab this image, small potatoes. You can't really see, so I like that image, and I want to. I just moved this bar over, and I want to open it. So a link from my machine to the post and put it in there. Pretty straightforward. Let's say you want to link someplace else. I'm just going to link back to this site, hyperlocavore.com, which is the link you should always use if you're trying to link back to this site. It's the permanent link. And it gives you the format there, and then you would just go hyperlocavore.com or whatever you want to link to, so long as it's related to what we work on here, gardening and sustainability, crafting and DIY projects. And then you've got your link. Really easy. Tags. Please use tags. They make things very much easier to use and easier to find stuff on the site. So in this case, I don't know what the tag would be. No dig, potatoes. I mean, I'm just making things up. Can't spell potato. Gardening. Anyway, so you get the idea. Just basic tags. You can have your own tagging system. They may be important to you, but try and use tags that might mean something to other people, because that'll make the site much more easy to navigate. You can choose to publish right away. You can choose to give it a date and publish later. You can say who can see this, who can comment, and whether or not you want to moderate your blog. I don't moderate my blog posts, but if you wanted to prevent people from commenting, or if you wanted to see every comment that came through before you posted it to your blog, you could change this setting. So you can go preview and see how it'll look. And if you like it, you would just hit publish. I'm going to go in and delete that later, but there you go. Okay, so here's the admin options you have for the post. I'm going to delete this post because it's not a real post. Okay, and then I will come along and feature the best ones here. So if you write something really great, I'm going to feature it here so everyone else will be pointed to it. Okay, so I'll get on to the rest of the share menu in the next video. Thanks for watching.